So I believe that people who are building muscle and people who are looking to lose weight, right? There's people who want to do both, but those two are the priorities when first starting out. I believe those people should definitely eat before the gym. Shout out to the plug. They be pulling up early. When they say they pull up early. Fucks with it.
So I got my shorts on. Oh, now the camera's in my hand. It was definitely not that. It's like too. Let me try this again. Hold on 1 second. So here we have what we call is, I don't know what you call that, but that's called gains. Okay? Okay.
First off, good morning. I'm not sure if I told you guys anything today, but I'm assuming I didn't. And I don't check the previous recordings because that's too easy. But you just saw me. I'll show you now. 199 pounds, 0.8. That is with 1 shake and 1 salad. So feeling good. I had a rest day yesterday. Just felt it. I was tired. I was running on like 5 hours of sleep in the last 48 hours, which was intentional because I had a lot of work to do. But I didn't want to go to the gym and produce or exert so much energy because I didn't have a lot of energy. And so today's a new day. It's technically either leg day or bike ride day. I'm giving myself the luxury to choose, and I'm gonna probably just flip a coin soon because I can't figure it out. It's nice out, the sun's out, it's hot, so I'm feeling a bike ride, especially because I passed up on one on Sunday, and being outside is glorious. And you only have so much time when you live in the Midwest, so I can be inside the gym at all times. And I really don't feel like doing legs today. So most likely going to the gym, or most likely going for a bike ride. I got studying done. The scores that I'm getting on these pre-tests are increasing, so that's good. I got some videos, vlog 47's up, vlog 48's done. Today is day 50 of the Vegan Athlete series, and we're almost halfway home. I got creatine. I don't know if I told you guys. So Instagram, I found creatine, a full bottle of creatine just in my closet. And so now I have a brand new one on the way. I have 2 full things of creatine, which is not terrible, but it's the power of cleaning up. And so I got content on the way, smack a bike ride, and then we're gonna do some more Q&A tomorrow. I got some good feedback from yesterday's Q&A, or just like the top 3 most effective supplements. People really enjoyed that on my Instagram and, you know, on smaller channels. And so we're gonna do that again today, especially because there's not a lot of going on, right? I'll show you my meal, or what I ate. Just now, I had, can you guess? Can you guess what I had? You got it. I guessed the salad. I just came back from the store, grabbed 2 things of arugula. And I had arugula with some red onions, peas, green peas, corn, walnuts, raisins, and quinoa. And I'm telling you, I like when the middle is not filled with something, because then you can see the greens and makes for a better picture. It's more pleasing to the eye. So I'm gonna start leaving that middle section open in comparison to yesterday's beautiful picture. All right, it's a big deal to me. I didn't care about plating at all, but as I get better, I'm like, oh, let me wipe off the bowl with a napkin to make it all pretty and stuff. You guys are bringing out the best of me, and I appreciate that. And so that's the update. What we got going on today? 1 meal in. Creatine's good. These next lifting days are going to be extremely heavy. So I don't want to go in there kind of tired, not really sure if I want to do it. Oh, maybe I should have went on a bike ride. No, I'm like, yo, it's fucking leg day. We're hitting that shit hard. Or it's upper body day. We're hitting that shit hard, right? And so I'm gonna go for a bike ride today. Talking to you guys, right? Talking like this literally gets the thoughts out of my head like a therapy session, and it helps me figure out my life. For the life of me, I couldn't figure out whether or not I wanted to go for a bike ride or go do legs. I've been on the camera for 2 minutes, and I'm for sure going for a bike ride now. So I appreciate you guys for watching, liking, commenting, allowing me to get back on the video, on the camera, and, you know, just express myself. It really helps. So that's it. That's this morning's little update. About to go on a bike ride. I'm not really, yeah, we're going for time. Fuck it. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing if we're not going for time? If we're not PRing? If we're not lifting heavy? What are we doing? We're kind of just like maintaining? That's not a real thing. You're either going forward or you're going backwards. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take a shower And next time you see me will be a little Instagram post of me on a bike ride. And I'll make sure to download it this time so it's not like laggy and I have to like screen record something that's archived. Yeah, I know you guys have been seeing it. And you're not gonna say nothing, but I see it too. So, sun's out, about to get the guns out, going, sit in the sun, and then get more sun on the bike ride. And sub 55 minutes, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. So, as a personal trainer, you want to be able to have a conversation with your client. This will be able to tell you how much harder they can go, or how much they need to bring you down. So asking simple questions like, hey, how you doing? What'd you have today? Saving that kind of like daily talk for the actual warm-up is good to gauge how the warm-up is going. And on top of that, you know where we at, and you know what's going on. I say I got that shit. I say I got it. I have no idea. I haven't looked at the time. The last leg, I say I got it. First off, that was 55 minutes, right? The goal was sub 55. And I know exactly where 2 minutes went, all right? I'm not complaining, but I gave a tip at the halfway point. I was getting kind of cocky. I thought I could give tips and shit. And then, no excuses, 55. But before the summer's out, I am for sure breaking sub 55 minutes. For a fact. I just came from that bike ride. And I am so gassed, I don't even know what's going on. Like, it took me like 6 times, like, it took me multiple times to like load up snaps. I'm so drained of glycogen and energy and water and everything. So I got a protein shake here. I had some water. I got bananas, glutamine. I say bananas and salad. Like the bananas, salad. Glutamine, creatine, protein powder, almond milk, frozen bananas, I said that? I don't remember. But that's what I'm drinking. We didn't beat the goal of sub 55, but I know why. I know exactly why. If you guys saw it in the video, I said why. But also, the wind on the way back was ridiculous, and I'm just probably need to get better. That's the biggest root. I gotta get better. I'm gonna crush sub 55 before the summer's out. I'm gonna have another one of these. I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes though. Make sure this settles. See how I feel. Because you want to give your time. You want to give your body time to absorb the nutrients. It doesn't just go in and just absorb right away. It takes time. Like, just think about water going down the river. Like, if you just there's a dry river and you start pouring water down it, just think how long it'll take to get down to the bottom of the river. It's not just gonna, you're not just gonna put it at the top and just go straight to the bottom. That's not how it works. It has to go, and along the way it has to be absorbed, and nutrients have to be grabbed and has to be digested. Things have to be excreted. Like, things have to happen. So we get about 5 minutes, because it shouldn't take that long, because it's tired now, and so it should be working a little faster right now. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, and I will be back. I'll be back probably when it's time to eat. I gotta post a picture. I gotta chill out. I'm really tired. So look, it looks like I'm fucking turned right now. I swear I just went on the bike ride. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna get some more water and another protein shake in like 10 minutes. And then next time you see me, we'll be eating this delicious ass salad that you may or may not have seen before. I'll show you. Alright, so what's good, my beautiful people? So after that bike ride, I had this lovely salad, which was arugula with avocado oil, you know, and some walnuts, raisins, red onions over some quinoa, mixed beans, more raisins, corn and peas. Raisins really make the salad for me. I've tried new raisins and I've tried figs and dates, but raisins are a staple. I will always have raisins. and the regular dried raisins, not dark raisins or anything like that, but raisins. So that's what's going on. It's so good. Raisins, they're so good. Non-GMO, of course. Didn't break the 55-minute mark, but like I said, I definitely will before the season is out. I know it for a fact. All right, and so tonight's question is, should you eat before the gym or not? And that answer is dependent upon which camp we're talking to. Okay, so we're talking to the camp who are looking to focus on building muscle primarily, and then there's a camp of people who are focusing on weight loss primarily. Of course, we all want to do both, and both will happen, but when first starting out, there has to be a priority. Okay, and so for the people who want to build muscle, right, the answer is yes. Like, it's imperative. I recommend, and I believe, for someone who's building muscle, looking to put on size, it's important that we don't burn through our reserves, because the faster you go through the reserves, the faster you'll start to, dig into your own muscle tissue, assuming that you're already low on fat because you're trying to build muscle. So for me, Vegan Athlete Series, a vegan diet looking to build muscle, I always eat before the gym, whether it's one meal and a shake or 2 shakes in a meal, however much food that I need to eat, I make sure I always eat before the gym because I'm building muscle. Okay, and now for the individuals who are looking to lose weight, I think it also is important for those people to eat before the gym as well, because you need energy for your workout, right? If you don't have enough energy for your workout, you're not going to get the most out of your workout, which means you won't get the result from your workout that you're looking for in the first place, because you're low on energy and you weren't able to produce the amount of force and stamina and just overall energy expenditure to, get what you need to get out of that workout. And so people who are looking to lose weight, I believe and recommend that they should eat as well, because there's not a lot of scientific study, to my knowledge, that says that a fasted workout or a fasted cardio session or whatever will have a major impact, like night and day impact, versus eating food. Okay, the idea is that because there's no food in your stomach, your body won't have to break that down and it can go straight into burning fat. And while that idea makes sense, technically, there's not a lot of experience for myself, research that supports that. So I like the clients to go in with some food in their stomach so that they have energy, because that's all that is. Food is just energy, right? And like I said, we want to get enough energy so that we can complete the workout, because that's going to ultimately give us the results long term. Okay? If it's a 20-minute workout, real quick, fasted, something small, short, less than 20 minutes, by all means, go fasted if it makes you feel better. But if it's over 20 minutes and you're going to be doing some resistance training, some cardio, and just running through energy, then it's important to have enough energy in the body. So I believe that people who are building muscle and people who are looking to lose weight, right? There's people who want to do both, but those two are the priorities when first starting out. I believe those people should definitely eat before the gym in order to accomplish their goals. Cool? So that's it, y'all. I appreciate you for watching these videos. It makes me feel good. I'm watching new people. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Like, comment, subscribe below. This channel is going to be huge. What we're doing here is unprecedented, and I'm excited. And I'm excited to see where we end up, not just at the end of the series, but a year from now, right? Because it takes time for the algorithm to find people, or for people to find the videos and all that stuff. So we're just gonna stay consistent, give you the feedback. I'm looking to do Q&As and questions and answers at the end of these vlogs. Every vlog is my hope from here on out, just to give you guys as much content and value as possible. So I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. You can tell it's time for me to go to bed. And yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. Peace.